So today I'm going to show you how to complete the square. Alright, so it's not a really big topic when it comes to the test, but it's just nice to know because then you understand more about quadratics and like how graphs work. Yeah. So I'm going to show you a very simple one to start off with, and then it gets a bit harder, but then I'll show you harder ones later when we look at the graph. So here, the first step you do, you put in the brackets. I'll write it up first and then explain what I just did. So when you halve it, it's just half number. It doesn't matter what the symbol. The symbol stays the same. So basically halving the 6 and the 3. No, the 6 to the 3. But if that was minus, it'd be minus 3. It's just halve everything and just put in the bracket square it. But then this means that when you write up again, it's going to be minus 3 squared. So this is also like, you could look at the more like the theory side, why is this, but like it's easy to just think like if there's if there's 3 in here, it's going to be minus 3 squared on the outside. If it was a 5 in there, it would be minus 5 squared outside. It's always minus, doesn't matter what if it's positive or negative in here. It's always minus outside. So that equals then x minus 9. So like if you did minus 3 squared, it makes 9, because a positive times a positive, no, a negative times a negative is positive. But in this case, this doesn't matter, so you just keep it as minus 9. So that's the answer to that one. But now I'm going to show you a longer one that you do. So it's the same for this one. So these are the steps you use. So you use this first, ignore the last one, stuff for later. So x plus, nope, not plus, what am I doing? Minus minus 5, oh, robbed off half the x, minus 5, and then minus 5 squared. See? Minus 5. And then that equals minus 25. And then you put this one back in, minus 10. So x 5 minus 35. So that's the answer for. But then you can use these answers here to work out the turning point of a quadratic. I'll show that now. Take away all this. Okay. So if you have an equation of a line, which is y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. So that's a quadratic line. So it crosses the x-axis 2 times. So if there was a graph like this, and this probably will cross like that, something. So, because to work out these points here, them two, you use just normal factorizing, and to get the x value. I'll probably just write it down to make more, so it makes more sense. But, and then to complete the square, you work at the turning points where it turns. That's that bit there, because you can go down really all the way down there and up again. So there's 2 bits you work out. So I'm gonna just factorize quickly, just so you can see. I should do it here. So that means that x1 equals -3, x2 equals -1. -1's there, -3 is there. See? Yeah. So that's how you work out where they cross on the x-axis. Just normal factorizing, you work with x value. And you work with 0, so that's where you cancel out. But then here, to work out the turning point, because the problem asks you this, you do the complete square like I showed you. So you start off x plus 2, halve it, and -2 squared. It's always minus on the other side. Then x plus 2 squared equals 4 plus 3. X plus 2 squared minus 1. Then you use this number and this one here. So this will cancel out. So it's the same as factorize, it cancels out to make 0. So this one would be minus x with -2. -2 minus 1. So you can see here that this is -2 minus 1. That point there. That's how you work out a tiny point. And that's so that you probably get that question in the I've never actually got it, probably just once, but no one else knew it because I learned it. Right, so that's done for that topic. Thanks for watching, guys.